I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey love bugs, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Hergivenhair. Shout out to you, Hergivenhair, for sending me this unit. Right here I am showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps as well as an elastic band. And this right here is the unit. Right here I am co-washing the unit because I don't know if you guys saw, but I'll talk more about it. This unit did come with like an instruction book and it said to co-wash the unit. So right here I am washing it, and then I am going to apply conditioner to it, comb it out, and after that I'm gonna let the conditioner sit in the hair for about 30 minutes. Okay y'all, and this is the next day, and as you guys can see, this is a really coily unit. That's what I really like about Hergivenhair. All of their units, well, all the ones that I see are pretty natural units. So I'm just cutting the lace and stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna basically from here do all the things that I normally do to a unit. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch me style it, and if you're interested in any more details and specs and all that good stuff about this wig, then please continue to watch, and I will see you bugs in the outro. Bye. Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So first things first, I want to applaud Hergivenhair for just their packaging, honey. Okay, and if you guys don't already know, this unit was sent to me by Hergivenhair, but I want you guys to just look at this box. Like, I have worked with this company before, and I have gotten one of these boxes before, but it's just, oh, girl, do you see this? I love a good packaging, y'all, and this is the way that it comes out. And you guys saw everything that came in the packaging at the beginning of the video, but I want to also show you guys this wig instruction book, honey. Girl, I said a wig instruction book. Like, I cannot make this up, honey. Okay, like, look at this. So it literally has a table of contents. It says when your giving hair meets Hergivenhair, and I love that. It has about their hair team, their stylist team, which as you can see is a whole lot of African American women. That is their stylist team, and I like that. Let me tell you why I like that, because I feel like to make hair that mimics, or have hair that mimics African American hair, you need African American women. Okay, so I like that. Okay, so then they got on here when you receive the wig and what to do. So I want to kind of walk you guys through this, only because I did follow these steps. Now they did say to use the conditioner and stuff that they advise. I didn't have that particular conditioner, but it says leave in conditioner for, okay, apply water to the wig until the wig is completely wet. Leave in conditioner for 15 to 30 minutes with a plastic bag to cover the wig. Apply one of our recommended conditioners on the hair. Use your fingers and widen teeth comb to detangle the hair. Rinse the conditioner out and dry your wig with a microfiber towel or t-shirt. You can hang the hair to let it air dry. So it does recommend you guys co-washing the hair straight out of the packaging, and it literally says, like, prior to that, check your wig out. Like, make sure your wig, make sure you have received everything. After receiving, please check whether the texture can blend with your hair and if the size is suitable or not. Each package will also have a small label with general product information to help you confirm. Don't cut the lace or U-shaped net before you can confirm the wig is suitable. Any other problems with your order, please email customer service, and they give the email ASAP, and keep the hair exactly the way it came. So they tell you to do that before you do anything. Inspect your wig. Don't cut off anything. Like, don't cut your lace with the wig on and be like, oh, okay, I don't want it. You know what I mean? So leave the wig exactly as it came, and you know, it won't be an issue with obviously getting a refund or whatever. So yeah, I like that. I just wanted to kind of point that out. And they have like different little tips and all that good stuff on here, how to lay your wig down. I just thought it was really neat and, you know, smart. It was smart. So anyways, let's get into the wig that I am wearing, child, because I done went into all of that and I ain't even told you about this wig. So let's get into that. Okay, so I'm gonna have a picture of it on the side so you guys can kind of see, probably after I do the stats. Let me go ahead and get into the stats of it. The unit is called Embrace My Coily Life Wig LFW38S. Hair texture coily, hair length 18 inches, hair volume before styling is 190 grams. Wig type lace front wig. So I'm gonna have on the screen what the actual unit looks like. So let's get into this hairline a little bit, girl. Like, the hairline is freaking everything. Like, everything. I love this hairline. I think the hairline is freaking phenomenal, as well as the parting space. The knots did come bleached. Like, you could obviously tell that the knots were bleached. Yeah. As far as big head friendliness, you guys know this wig can actually be a glueless wig, and it probably would have been a glueless wig had I not shaved my head. The company asked me if I still wore medium Capsize. I did. That was prior to me cutting off my hair. Now my head doesn't have any hair, so it's smaller. So I probably could wear it if it was a small. I could have worn this wig glueless, because even just laying it down, it was so easy. And I think it is definitely meant to be worn glueless. Yeah, I want to just kind of throw that out there to you guys, because I couldn't wear a glueless, child, because I ain't got no hair. I ain't got no hair. But yeah, so as far as shedding and tangling, now as far as tangling, honey, literally to me this hair tangles just like my own hair tangled. But I will say this, after I put the conditioner in, I was able to just kind of comb through it. I hope I have the clip, and I'll insert the clip in here. Like, before I put the conditioner in, it was a lot more tangly, but once I co-washed it, and that's probably why they recommend you do that, is because of the tangles. Like, this hair does definitely mimic African American coily hair. Like, our hair is, you know, coily and tangly, and if you're natural, you know, you already know what I mean, girl. You already know what I mean. And yeah, this hair, before I put the conditioner in, it was more on the tangly side, but once the conditioner was in, I was able to just kind of run that comb through it. So yeah, that's pretty much everything as far as like the cap construction and stuff. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as an elastic band, like that looks like the little bra strap thing. So yeah, that's that. Like, literally, that's that. I don't feel like I need to give you guys a length check, because honey, this is it. No Michael Jackson. And yeah, we'll just go ahead and get into my thoughts and feelings on this unit and all that good stuff, as well as the styling and how I went through all of that. So if you're interested, then please continue to watch. I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you guys. This is literally my favorite hair texture, y'all. Like, it is my favorite hair texture. This hair cooperates in the way that I was always trying to get my own hair to cooperate. If you guys don't watch my little cousin Ashley's channel, like, her hair basically cooperates like this, okay? Everybody in my family that are natural, their hair cooperates like this. Like my cousin Melanie, she wear hers in a fro and it's just like bomb. I was the only one that was struggling, okay? I was the only one that was struggling. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna reset because all y'all got yours tamed and mine ain't. So yeah, I love this hair because it's just what I wanted. You know, I wanted a big fro-ish type look that I just couldn't get. So I really like this type of hair, so I can front. Because to me, it does look natural. Like, I feel like if people saw me, they would probably think this was my hair. Like, I love Hergivenhair. I love, like, that they make hair that mimics African American hair. Now, granted, it may be on the pricier side, and like, if you can't afford it, honey, you know, I get it, girl. You know, I get it. But if you can, like, I feel like every sister needs one of these types of wigs in their closet. Like, okay, it's yes. Like, if you're a wig wearing sister and you want something that is gonna be similar to our hair, I feel like you need one of these wigs in your closet. Okay, so yeah, like I stated, I had to co-wash the hair and all that. I did that because that's what the instruction manual said. And after that, I let it air dry. And then today, I just put it on. I did that yesterday. Today, I put it on. Yeah, literally laying it was no issue. Like, the hairline, like, honey, the hairline is freaking phenomenal. The hair is just life. Now, it is a lot of hair, okay? So if you're like kind of skittish with a lot of hair, because as you guys can see, I was just gonna wear it all just like, you know, out there, but child, it was getting about weight. You guys know I am about that. So I did pull this hair, you know, like, just kind of twisted it and bobby pinned it. Child, I hope she stays like that, because I don't know, she's thick. But yeah, I kind of twisted it and put it to the side because it was just a lot of hair. It's super thick. Like, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Like, honey, it's a lot. But yeah, so I did that. And honestly, the booklet said to use your fingers or a comb, and I started to initially brush it out and apply some products, and then I was like, you know what, it said not to do that. So I ended up spraying it and putting a little gel in it, my Eco Styling Gel. Now, honey, the booklet didn't say do that, but that's what I did. Okay, I did that. I did use my Eco Styling Gel that I use on my other curly units. Like, this is a coily unit, but I use the same thing that I use on my curly units. And I ain't mad at it. Now, honey, she may be as flaky as I'll get out tomorrow, because I will be wearing her for a few days. Like, I'm in love. So she may be flaky tomorrow, and I may have to rewash her and all of that. But for now, I ain't mad at it. Like, honey, big hair don't care. Like I said, I realize this may not be everyone's cup of tea. Everybody doesn't like a whole lot of hair. Everybody doesn't even like coily hair. But I do like that it mimics our hair. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's a look for me. Let me know down below what you guys think. Like, are you feeling it? Is she a look to you? I did see that the Hearts and Cakes 90 reviewed a unit from them, and she didn't have like the super big look. She had more of the sleek look. And if that is what you're going for, you can definitely check it out. Check out her video and kind of see like how she achieved the stick look. I'm more of a big hair don't curl type of person. I like kind of the wild woman look. So that was the vibe that I was going for. But if you need, you know, to figure out how to make it more sleek or whatever, I'm sure you can. Check out her video. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. This is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Now, honey, if my bobby pins all over the place in the back, mind your business, sis. Mind your business, because I'm gonna wear her out today just like that. Okay, I don't even care. And honey, I did just that. Even with that little ponytail sticking out in the back like it was, I wore her out. And I did receive compliments. I know they were kind of like, girl, why you got that little ponytail sticking in the back? But whatever. I got compliments, so don't judge me, girl. Don't judge me. I don't even care. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience in case you guys are interested. So yeah, check out the description box for any for the links and any other extra information. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. Where did my sun go? Like, it got completely dark around here. Y'all, I'm finna order me some lights, okay? Don't worry about it, girl. I'm gonna order some lights. But yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. And once again, I know people have been asking me about my shirts. This one is the Black Girl Magic shirt. I've been getting them from Amazon. They're really inexpensive, so I just been buying a bunch of them, child. If you are interested, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Keep in mind it is an affiliate link, so honey, if you don't want me to get no coins, honey, I suggest you just find another link, girl. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much it. And yeah, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed to us, click that subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Where you come from?
From the door.